Yeah, hello dear student, how are you? I think you are familiar with this page here. This is your classes. You come here through Google Classroom. So if you register yourself in grade 7A, you should come here. As you see, we have the stream classwork people marks. By the stream, I never upload videos here, okay? I never upload videos or give assignment. It is only for messaging. It's only to give you information, something general. Just like here, I gave you a link which bring you immediately to Google Drive. You don't have to click to look for it yourself. Only click here, it will take you to Google Drive. So if I click here, as you see, it will take me to Google Drive. What I do there, you find all these violet files. These are our files, 4 files. Here you find all the science videos, here all the math videos, and here all the answer keys for science, and here all the answer keys for math, okay? So I made it just like to bring you very quickly to the other side. Okay, for classwork is where I put the videos and the assignments. Look at here. First, I write the topic. I write the topic here. What is our subjects for today? Okay. And then I make the video to explain you the subject, and then I give you the assignment. The assignment, you open it like this. As you see, 16 has signed in, only one handed in. You double click on the page. Now the page here is the exercise which I gave you. By the way, you don't have to do it all. You do for me only 2 and 7. Number 2 and 7. So this is a page. You cannot do nothing. I gave you the authority to edit here when it is another type of a document. This is a JPG document. You cannot edit it. But if it was a document, a Word document, I gave you the permission that you can write in it here. After you finish writing, you have to save it. How to save it? To push something like that, share or post. So you push share and post, then your work is secured and it is safe, okay? If you don't have this, if you cannot do this only like this page now, you open Word. This is a Word. Look, you see down here? This is Word. You open Word. You answer your questions on the computer, very nice, and you save it, file, save as, and you save it as a Word document on the desktop. On the desktop. When you do that, you go back here, and what you do, you find something like this here, like this symbol. This symbol means that from the class it will open for you the possibility to upload your Word document or your PDF document or your picture or anything else. So this symbol, if you find it, this means you can make a door from the classroom to the desktop of your computer to bring things from there and you put it in the classroom, okay? But don't forget, after then you make share or post to ensure your job, to secure your job, okay? So this is how you put a homework in the classroom. Now let me go to this classroom. Okay, stream. The stream is only for notification and messages. Classroom is for videos to explain and assignments, okay? Also quizzes. When I make a quiz, it's gonna be here. It will be written in the topic, quiz, this subject, and underneath it is the quiz. You open the quiz, you shall find also a paper which you can edit like multiple choice, and you answer on the paper exactly, and then you save your job, you save your work. Otherwise you have done as if it is you have done nothing. Okay, let us go to these 2 files here. Calendar. When I push calendar, comes something like that, okay? In the calendar, you see assignment homework. On Wednesday you have to give me back the homework from math, but this time I forgive you, no problem. But from next time, All assignment will be handed in on Friday, so you have to check Friday or Saturday or Thursday. So please, you have to check your calendars every day. You have to sign in the class. It is just like when you are going to school every day. You check in your class every day. Check your stream if there's any notification. Okay. Check your classwork if there is a new subject with the homework, and then you check what you check. Where is our calendar now? This one, and you check your calendar to see when you hand in your homework. Okay, it's very important when you hand in your homework. So this is important things to do. You have to check the calendar every day. And then there's this order here, this file here, class driver for the class drive folder. If you push it, it takes you to Google Drive, where our file is. Okay, do you see these files? It's like a lot of things. This doesn't concern me. This concerns me here. My drive, you open it, and you shall see, when you open it, you shall see a violet file. This is mine, classroom. You open it. This violet is mine, but I made it easier for you. I just gave it to you in the stream, just like a link, so you can click here and you are there immediately by this Google Drive. Okay, you click on the link, and immediately you have this file where the answer keys and where the math videos and the science videos. Of course, I shall continue uploading videos in the YouTube also. Okay, so they will be in both places, in the YouTube and also in the Google Drive, so you can choose whatever you like. Okay, what else? So we spoke about the stream is for messaging class. So please, in the stream, I don't know nobody to upload for me works, okay, or something. It is here in the classwork. Okay, you have, when you open the assignment, in the assignment it must be a possibility that you find something like this, to upload your work from your computer in the classroom. Okay, or I give you the possibility to edit the same Word document which you open, which is the assignment itself. Not this one, this is image. You see, you cannot edit image, but it can be here a Word document. So you can open this Word document and then you can edit it and write your answer there. But don't forget, after that you have to push share or post to save your work. Okay, this is this. Please, I expect from you more participation by doing the homework, especially class B, because each homework from now on will be graded with 10 marks, and we shall have 2 quizzes also, or 4 quizzes, 2 science and 2 math. Okay, in this month. Okay, thank you very much.